Hi guys, now I'm here to explain a topic called three-phase induction motor. In that what we are going to explain principles, constructions, working and advantage and applications. First, three-phase induction motor. A three-phase induction motor is a rotating electrical machine that is designed to operate on three-phase supply. This three-phase motor is called as asynchronous motor. Construction of three-phase induction motor. The three-phase induction motor is most widely used electrical motor. Almost 80% of mechanical power used by the industries is provided by three-phase induction motor because of its low cost, good operating character, etc. This is the three-phase induction motor, running of three-phase induction motor. The upper layer, which is called as a stator, it is a stationary part of a motor, and the rotating coil, which is called as a rotor, and there is something winding, right, that is called as commutator, and this length of something in ash color, that is called as a shaft. This is the running of three-phase induction motor, which is the animation picture. In three-phase induction motor, the power is transferred from the stator to rotor. From the stator upper part to the inner part, stator to rotor, winding through the induction. The three-phase induction motor is constructed from the two main parts, and they are stator and rotor. As I already told, just stator and rotor. Stator, as I already told, it is a stationary part of the induction motor. Rotor, which is the rotating part of the induction motor, as I already told, that is a rotating part of the induction motor. See that animating picture, which is rotating, right? See that? Which is rotating, okay? This is called as a rotor. The rotor of the three-phase induction motor are further classified as squirrel cage induction motor and slip ring rotor. Squirrel cage induction motor. A squirrel cage induction motor are sub of the induction motor which harness electromagnetism to generate motion. Advantage. Its construction is very simple and rugged. As there is no brushes and slip rings, these motors are require less maintenance. Application. Lathes, drilling machines, fans, blowers, printing machine. These are the application of a squirrel cage induction motor. Then we are going to see about slip ring induction motor. A slip ring induction motor are also known as wounded rotor, which is wounded, no? Oh, it is the type of induction motor where the rotor winding connected through the slip rings to a external resistance. There is something missing here, right? I'm animating the picture here, so it's missing. Sorry, guys. Advantage. It has a high starting torque and low starting current. Possibility of adding additional resistance to a control speed. Application. Slip ring induction motor are used where the high starting torque is required, that is in the hoist, corners, elevators. Cranes, Working of three-phase induction motor. The stator of an induction motor consists of number of overlapping winding offset by an electrical angle of 120 degree. When a primary winding or a stator is connected to three-phase alternating current supply, it establishes a rotor magnetic field which rotates at a synchronous speed. If we add the instantaneous value of a flux produced by a phase voltage, the resultant flux in the motor is average flux is equal to 1.5 into maximum value. The average flux of a constant magnitude rotate in the same speed as the input three-phase rotates. Advantage. What is the advantage of three-phase induction motor? The three-phase induction motor are widely used in industries and commercial applications. These are the two types: squirrel cage and slip ring induction motors. Application: simple and rugged in construction. It is cheaper in the cost due to absence of brushes and commutators and slip rings. Less maintenance is required. Thank you guys.